Assalamualaikum et bonjour. Today, we are going to learn few basic language functions. Okay, we are going to learn how to ask and to tell people one's names. Okay, either first name or family name. Okay, well, we're gonna see that in both contexts. It can be for formal and also informal situation. Okay, we have learned what is tu and what is vous. Tu and vous mean you. Tu is used in informal situation and vous is used in formal situation. Okay, so tu for informal and vous for formal. Okay, there are few ways to ask one's name, of course. Okay, and there are two verbs which are useful when we want to ask and to tell people one's name. The first one is the verb s'appeler. The verb s'appeler, it means to call oneself. The second one is the verb être. Être, it means verb to be. Okay, we're going to learn how to read these two verbs and how it is conjugated in the section conjugaison, in the other clip, of course. So now let's look at this. Now you have here savoir dire. Savoir dire means to know how. Next you have demander. Demander is to ask. And dire is to tell. Now you have here le prénom. Le prénom is the first name. And le nom, it is the family name. Okay, let's take for example, my name Haslinda Muhammad Isa. Well, in Malaysia, we don't have family names. So Haslinda is my first name and you can put the nom as Muhammad Isa. My father's name can be your family name. Alright, now, let's look at this. Now, you have 6 questions here. You have the first column in green color. It is for tu, for informal situation, and the blue corner, it's for vous, for formal situation. Now let's look at how do we ask what is your name for tu. Now you have here comment tu t'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles, it means what is your name. Okay, tu t'appelles comment. Again, I repeat that again. The first one, comment tu t'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles. The S here is silent. Tu t'appelles comment. Tu t'appelles comment. The S here is also silent. Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? The S here is silent. Okay. Now, if you can see clearly, comment is a WH question which is placed at the beginning or at the end of the questions. Okay. That is how the questions in French is constructed. Okay. Now, comment tu t'appelles? Comment, if you look up in the dictionary, it means how. Well, in English, comment tu t'appelles simply means what is your name. But literally, it means actually, okay, comment is how, t'appelles, appel is call, and tu is yourself. How do you call yourself? Okay, all right. Now, let's move to the next way of asking what is your name for vous, for formal situations. Now you have here, comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? You have the sound za. Next you have, vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? And the last one, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay? Now, that is how do you ask what is your name in French? Now, how do we answer? Now, you have here, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Now, you have here M apostrophe A. Now, when you have this kind of word, where you have an apostrophe in between, do not separate or cut this into two. It has to be one. So, it cannot be je m'appelle. It has to be je m'appelle. Okay? Now, je m'appelle simply means my name is in English. So, je m'appelle, you can put the prénom together with the noun. So, you put je m'appelle Laurent Michel. Je m'appelle Laurent Michel. Now, Laurent, the T here is silent. Now, in English, Laurent is Lauren. But in French, en, when E, the letter E meets N, it becomes on. That's why you have Laurent. Okay? Right? Now, je m'appelle means my name is. So, je m'appelle Laurent Michel means my name is Laurent Michel. Well, literally, actually, it doesn't mean that. It means I call myself Laurent Michel. Okay? But there's no such thing in English. You have it is my name is Laurent Michel. Okay? Now, this is how you say your name is. Okay? Now, let's move to the next one. It's the same thing, but this time we add the word moi. Moi means me. And we only put the first name. So, you have here moi, je m'appelle Philippe. Moi, je m'appelle Philippe. Now, if you notice, you have the word moi. Moi. Well, when the letter O meets I, in Bahasa Melayu, it is oi. Alright? But in French, it is not oi. It is oua. So, M-O-I becomes moi. Becomes moi. Okay? And it means me. Okay? Right. Right. I'm teaching you how to tell and to ask people your name, and also I'm teaching you a bit of pronunciation. Okay? Right. Now, let's move to the next one. Alright. Now you have, this is another version. So you have here, moi, c'est. Now, this one, c'est, it's pronounced as c'est, not chess, but c'est. And it means it is. And it comes from the verb être. Verb être means to be. So to be in English, like the verb to be in English is I am, you are, he is, she is. So this one, it means moi, me, c'est, it is. So let's take for example my name, Haslinda. Moi, c'est Haslinda. You can see that. Or moi, c'est Anita. Or moi here, c'est Simon. Not chess, but c'est. Okay? Just now we use the verb s'appeler to tell people our name. Je m'appelle. But here you have c'est. You use the verb être to say that your name is Simon or your name is Haslinda. Now, you have here je suis. Now, we don't use c'est, but now here you use je suis. Now, suis. If you notice, suis, the S is silent. You don't say Swiss, you say suis. Okay? Now, moi, c'est Simon. Here you have je suis. Je suis what? Je suis Nathalie. It means I am Nathalie. So here je suis means I am. And suis comes from the verb être. It means verb to be. Well, that will be all for today. So now you know how to ask people their names and how to tell people one's name. All right? So I hope you're gonna practice. Okay? Practice. You're gonna say it loud. How to say your name and how to tell people your name. All right? How to ask people and how to tell people. Okay, repeat that. Repeat that again and again. Je m'appelle, je suis, and moi c'est. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment vous vous appelez-vous? Well, I hope I'll see you again in the next clip. Bon courage, merci beaucoup et au revoir.